Hello mga kasama kong mga guro. So ngayon ay katapusan na naman ng school year. Kaya mo ito pinapanood kasi gusto mong matutunan kung paano mag-enter ng mga general average sa LIS. Alright, so napakasimple lang naman kung paano natin gawin yan sa LIS. So in this video, we're going to enter the SF, we are going to enter the general average of our kids doon sa ating LIS. Then after that, i-enter din natin yung kanilang honors and then ipa-finalize na natin ang ating class. So tatlong ating gagawin ngayon sa itong video na ito. Alright, so first and foremost, syempre, kailangan mo ng sumusunod. Syempre, kailangan mo username mo sa LIS at yung password mo. Kasi pag wala ka niyan, well, hindi ka maka-access sa LIS. Kung sakali na hindi ka maka-access sa LIS, madali lang yan. Go to your school ICT coordinator at sabihin nyo sa kanya na kailangan nyong ipa-reset yung inyong username at password kasi nakalimutan mo. Alright? Okay, so if you are able to have that kind of requirement na, meron ka na nun, let's go to the LIS website. Now, step 1 is to fire up your browser. I-type mo ang lis.deped.gov.ph. Then, pupunta na yung browser sa website ng LIS. Sa website ng LIS, step 2, mag-login ka doon. Now, if it's your, kung tatanungin ka niya na baguhin mo yung password mo, it means na na-reset yung account mo. So, you have to change your password. You have to input a new password. Okay, so after you have successfully logged into your LIS account, punta ka na sa master list. Alright. And there, from the master list of your class, punta ka doon, click yung master list, and then click the class that you belong. So, isa lang ang class na nandyan. Yun lang po yung klase na hinahandle ninyo. Alright, so start going to the list of your kids. Now, doon sa tabi ng kanilang pangalan, meron po diyang pencil icon. And then what you're going to do is to click the pencil icon. And then may lalabas na form. Doon sa form na yon ilalagay nyo ang kanilang general average. And then it's now time for you to look at your class record kung ano ba yung kanilang general average. Now, doon na rin may lalagay ang kanilang honors. May drop down box po dyan. So click it and then ilagay nyo kung sila ba ay promoted, sila ba ay retained, sila ba ay conditionally promoted, sila ba ay with honors, with high honors, with highest honors, and then you click the update button. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. Then you have to repeat it sa lahat ng iyong estudyante. After na ma-finish mo na, matapos mo na lahat ng estudyante mo, then you are now have the option to finalize your class. Just click that green finalize button and your class will be finalized after you have okayed the confirmation dialog box. Alright, so paano pagka na-finalize mo na tapos meron ka palang hindi na-update pa ng estudyante? Well, you have to inform your school ITO or your school ICT coordinator kasi yung account nila ay may kapangyarihan na i-unfinalize ang inyong account. Alright, so that's it. I hope you can follow it and I hope you have learned something from me today. If you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe and share this video to our other co-teachers para sabay-sabay tayong umangat